just gonna bury him right here so nobody could step on him. Because I don't want to step on him also. Wait. Alright, so I did this to him because I'm gonna bury him on the ground. Alright, time lapse. Alright, this is kinda a big hole, I guess. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a big hole. Maput live here, and oh, it's not big enough for it. Alright, this is big enough for him. Alright, time to bury him again. Alright, he's gone. I will miss you. By the way, guys, this is not a fake video. This is actually real. And guess I'll put this to honor him. And alright, that's all. Bye. Alright, this is the part of him. I will honor him. Let's go for the best.
Plastic.
Oh,
Tsura.
no.
Lagay na lang sa plastic.
No.
Tingnan mo na yung itsura niya. Naman yan.
This is the last time I will be seeing him.
Kaya nga, kaya yan suotin.
Alright. About this is this key. Alright, that's all. Bye-bye. Alright. This is him. I will miss you.